Hey everyone! Today I'm super excited to guide you through how to use ClickUp, the ultimate project management tool. Whether you're flying solo or managing a big team, ClickUp is here to make task management, collaboration, and tracking your projects a breeze, all from one platform. In this comprehensive ClickUp tutorial, we'll dive deep into the platform, starting with setting up your workspace, adding and managing tasks, and visualizing those tasks for maximum efficiency. Make sure you follow along to get the most out of this video. Ready? Let's jump right in. Alright, so let's get started by setting up your ClickUp account. Scroll down and click on the first link in the video description to go to the ClickUp sign-up page. Click on the Get Started, It's Free button, type in your email address, and hit Next. Enter your name, choose a password, and click Play with ClickUp. Now, head to your email inbox for the verification code, copy it, and paste it back in ClickUp. You'll be prompted to answer a few basic questions. For now, keep your workspace private. I'll show you how to add team members at the end of this tutorial. Name your workspace. Use your company name or project name. I'm using Tug Insights and click Finish. Awesome. We've created our ClickUp account and our first workspace. Before we dive into building it out, let's take a quick look at ClickUp's plans. ClickUp has a free forever plan, which is usually enough for most of you. The free plan has some limits, like a maximum of 5 spaces per workspace. If you need more, you'll have to upgrade to a paid plan. Everything I'll show you today can be done on the free plan. For more details on the plans, check the link in the description. Now, let's explore how your workspace is structured. This is called the hierarchy. At the top, there's the workspace, which we just created. Mine is Tug Insights. Next, we have spaces, like marketing or sales departments. Below spaces, we have lists, which can be organized into folders. Within lists, we have tasks, which can have subtasks and nested tasks. Understanding this hierarchy is crucial for building an organized workspace. We've created our workspace, and you can see the name at the top left. You can have multiple workspaces if you want to separate personal projects from work. Just click your workspace name and then New Workspace. Here in the top bar, we have some shortcuts like Ask AI, Create New Items, Tasks, Notepad, Record a Clip, which is really interesting because you can record a video inside ClickUp without needing other tools like Loom, and the usage is unlimited, and you can find it later here inside Clips. Then we have Reminders and Docs, and by clicking on Quick Action menu, you can customize it to your needs. In this left sidebar, which you can minimize or maximize by clicking here at the top, the goal is to keep your screen cleaner. So we have the home with your recent tasks. You can also sync your agenda here. Then in the inbox is where you will see your notifications when people tag or assign you. Clicking here to show more will show us more buttons, which you will understand throughout this tutorial. Let's start building our workspace. ClickUp automatically adds a team space, but I want to start from scratch, so delete this by clicking the 3 dots, then delete. Confirm by typing the space name and hitting delete. Now, we have an empty workspace and can add our first space. Click Create Space, name it. Let's name it Marketing. You can add a description, but I'll skip that. Choose a color and icon. Decide if you want the space public for all team members or private. I recommend keeping it private and manually adding team members later. Click Continue. Define your task statuses. By default, you have To Do, In Progress, and Complete, and you can edit if needed. Keep the default Click apps for now. You can always add more later. Skip the default views setup for now. Let's click Create Space. You'll see your first space on the left called Marketing. Let's add a few more spaces for different departments, like sales, product development, customer support, and events. Remember, on the free plan, you're limited to 5 spaces, so keep them general if you want to stay on the free plan. Now, let's add lists to our marketing space. Click the plus icon next to marketing and select List. Name your list, e.g. birthday campaign, and click Create List. Repeat to add more lists like Q4 campaign and New Year campaign. To keep things organized, use folders. Create a folder called Campaigns and drag all your campaign lists into it. This way, you can collapse the folder when not in use, keeping your workspace tidy. Do the same for other lists, like creating an SEO folder for blog posts. Next, let's add docs and whiteboards. Add a doc to your folder by clicking the plus icon and selecting Doc. Name it, e.g. Briefings, and start creating your document. You can add tables, buttons, checklists, and more. For whiteboards, click the plus icon, choose Whiteboard, and start from scratch, or use a template like a flowchart or brainwriting map. Now, let's dive into adding and managing tasks. Go to your birthday campaign list. Add a task by clicking into the list and typing the task name, EIG, define campaign timeline. Assign it to a team member, set a due date, and priority. Use the Add Task button for more detailed task creation. You can also add subtasks by clicking the plus icon next to a task. Customize your list columns by clicking the plus icon. Add custom fields like a progress bar or linked docs. Explore different views like list, board, and calendar. Switch to board view for a visual representation of task statuses. Add calendar view to see tasks with due dates. Use filters to quickly find tasks. Group tasks by status, priority, or assignee. Use Me mode to see tasks assigned to you. Take advantage of ClickUp Templates to save time. Go to the SEO folder, click the plus icon, and select From Template. Find a template like Blog Planner and import it. Modify the placeholder content to fit your needs. Create dashboards to visualize key metrics. Click Dashboard, use a template like Simple Dashboard, and select the data to visualize, like the Blog Planner. Customize the dashboard by adding and resizing cards. Finally, add team members to your workspace. Click your workspace name, then Manage Users. Invite team members by email and assign roles. Make spaces public by clicking the three dots next to a space, then Space Settings. Click All Space Settings and Share With. Here you can share the folder with everyone in the workspace. Add guests to specific lists, folders, or tasks by sharing permissions and assigning access levels. And this is how your ClickUp home will look like after you finish setting up your projects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more ClickUp tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.